Alright, cement's had a chance to dry for about 4 days. Had a 2.5 inch rain, but it's been 3 days since, so should be good and hard. Now first we're going to remove this cardboard mold and then get these leaves out of here and then backfill this hole and leave the braces up until the dirt sets down really good, until we're ready to put the posts on and put the crossbars on. It's really strong tape and cardboard, so it might be some work to get this off. The knife might be a better choice. It's kind of crumbly at the top, but the inside of it's pretty hard. If we can get past this tape, we can probably rip it off. It's not that thick of cardboard. Probably better let this air dry a little bit. It's still wet in there. Probably better let this dry out in the air for a while before I put some dirt in it. I don't know, it's pretty hard. I think it'll be safe to bury it now. We'll just keep on drying. It seems pretty hard. Well finished. Get them behind me. Alright, that's all the cardboard. These leaves out of here. We don't want anything to make air and make the soil pack too hard. I mean, too hard to pack the soil with oil, with air and air bubbles in it. Oh, we can backfill the hole now. Gotta find all the old dirt we took out of there, put it in, but it looks like a nice concrete mold. A nice rounded thing. We can probably we'll have to take this out because it's in the hole and in the way. I'll go get a screwdriver. Now we're going to remove this one board whose sole purpose was to maintain the gap at the bottom where the concrete could get underneath the pole and protect the bottom of the pole post, whatever you want to call it. And now we can remove this and give ourselves access to fill the dirt behind the whole thing and make it a lot easier, and it won't leave a gap when we pull it out. If we left it in, we would leave a gap pulling it out. So let's take it off and then fill this hole. If we really want to feel secure, we can move it over a little bit, put it somewhere else. We can actually just put that screw right in here now. It should hold pretty strong. It's got concrete underneath it after all. Just move that screw over here. Whoops. Hold it tight. That'll keep that support that this board was given. Still a little bit more cardboard down in here. Just a little bit. That's mostly tape, I think. And where the rain washed the water under it. There's concrete under there. Over time, that should eventually go ahead and disintegrate. Back to earth. Ashes to ashes. Dust to dust. Duct tape to dirt. Over time. Basically, this is most of the dirt that came out of there. There's a little bit under me in here on this power thing. I try not to put any of those chunks of wood back in there because they also will rot and collapse. I'll try to get solid dirt behind there and then pack it down. Call it a pole, call it a post, a corner post. That's some dirt. Back in that hole. Run back. Most of the wood got thrown over to the side. You get the picture. Let's fill the hole up. The flat end shovel, the shooter, does a pretty good job scraping the top, scraping underneath down to where the other level was. Down to where the original dirt was. We have some dirt in there. I can take a 2x4 and I'll try to pack some down. Before we add some more. It's a lot harder to pack when it's all full. Take a lot of the air out of it. And then time and nature and rain and all will do the rest. Mostly really want to try and get that dirt in behind there back. It's pretty hollow in there. I'm able to push my glove pretty deep into there, so I'll make sure and get that back down. On the other side too. It's pretty deep with a hole. See, I can stick my hand all in there. That wouldn't be good. Sorry, worm, go somewhere else, dude. Let's smash that worm. Come back when we're done working here. Alright, then we'll put some more dirt. Pack it some more. Alright, got a lot of dirt in there. I'm gonna go ahead and finish packing it down. Not finished, maybe not forever, but pack it down some for now. We'll let it settle. Put some more in there another time. When it's too much, it can't settle. I'm gonna be sure and leave the concrete above the ground so that the post doesn't get into the rotting action. The concrete will protect the post at the base from getting starting the rotting process. Starting the decomposing process. Which it will do eventually on its own up in the top elements, but this will keep the water and the decomposers off it for the most part. other than lichens and funguses and molds. I mean, nothing lasts forever. Nothing pole can stay. My apologies, Pony Boy. Alright. Leave that braced up. Calling that good. And now that's what that looks like buried. And come back and move this fence out back in the spring. Next in the spring we'll finish this work up in the spring. We're just about out of weather for the year. Weather it's going to be about freezing, so we got a lot of work to do. We'll replace all the cross pieces on this side in the spring, and we'll just do this all at once. It'll match. It'll be nice work.